Unit rate. You're at a baseball game with a group of friends. After the first inning, you and your friends get thirsty. You go to the concession stand to buy Cokes for everyone. Complete the chart below. So if we look at the table, we have our labels: drinks, 1, 3, 5, and a blank. Cost, how much, is we don't know. $7.50, we don't know, and $22.50. What I want you to notice first is which one is complete. I do not know the cost, how much it costs for one drink. I do know that if I buy 3 drinks, I'm going to need to spend $7.50. If I buy 5 drinks, I do not know how much I need yet. If I spend $22.50, I do not know how many drinks that is yet. So I'm going to start with the information that they give me fully. 3 drinks cost $7.50. Well, to better fill out the rest of my table, I need to find my unit rate. My unit rate is my 1. How much does 1 drink cost? So I'm going to use the 3 and $7.50, and I'm going to divide $7.50 divided by 3. Remember, we're going to worry about the decimal at the end. So 3 into 7 goes twice, times 3 is 6, minus 1, bring down my 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times, 5 times 3, 15, subtract 0. I still have a 0 to bring down. 3 goes into 0, 0 times, 0, 0. I have no other number to bring down, which means I am done. But now I don't want to forget about my decimal. I just move it up, and my number is 250. But what does that mean? Well, remember, we are trying to find our unit rate, our cost for 1 drink. So we took the $7.50, divided it by the 3 drinks, which gives us 1 drink costs $2.50. Next, I'm going to look at my rule. If I am looking from top to bottom, I'm going to multiply by 250. Top to bottom, multiply by 250. If it's good for one, it has to be good for all to be my rule. But what if they ask me how many drinks for $7.50? Well, then I'm looking from my cost, trying to find the number of drinks. That would be dividing by 250. Dividing by 250. If it's good for one, it has to be good for all. So now I have my 1 drink costs $2.50, 3 drinks cost 3 drinks cost $7.50. So I'm looking for how much does 5 drinks cost? Well, if I'm going from my 5 trying to find my cost, I want to multiply. So I am going to multiply $2.50 times 5. We'll worry about the decimal at the end. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 plus 2 is 12. My decimal, I move to the right twice, so I'm going to move to the left twice to bring it into my answer. So my answer for how much does 5 drinks cost would be $12.50. Now I have the cost of $22.50, but I do not know how many drinks that is. So we said if we're going to have to go from cost to drinks, we're going to need to divide. So let's take our $22.50 and divide it by 250. 250. Now, because I have a decimal on the outside, I am going to have to move it before I start dividing. I pass 1, 2 place values to the right. So I'm going to move place values 1, 2 to the right, and my decimal point has a new spot. Now I'm going to divide. 250 does not go into 2, does not go into 22, does not go into 225, but it will go into 2,250 9 times. 9 times 250 is exactly the same. Move my decimal up. Because my decimal's on the right, that is a whole number, which means if I need to buy 9 drinks, it will cost $22.50. You are going to try number 2, 3, and 4 on your own at home. Monday, we will complete the back in class.